Next question is another question for the numericals. That is what that is again the question for the ratio and the proportion. So the salaries is A, B, C are in ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. If the increment of 50%, 10% and 20% are allowed respectively in their salary, so then what will be the new ratio? Okay, what will be the new ratio? So again, you have to take a particular constant for this ratio. So 2 is to 3 is to 5. That means you can take the salary like 2x, your 3x and 5x, right? So the 2x with the increment of 15%, that will be 115 divided by 100, right? Is to new salary, that is 3x into 110 divided by 100, okay? And is to 5x into 120, because 20% is the increment, right? And by 100. So these will be what? These will be the ratio of the new salary. So just simplify it. So 100 will be cut it down. X will be again cut it down. Then you can divide all of this with 5. So you will get 115 divided by 5. So that means 23. Here you will get 22. Here you will get 24, right? So again you can divide all the three variables with 2. So 2, then here you will get 11, here you will get 12. So the new ratio will be what? New ratio will be 23 is to 33 is to 60, right? So that will be the answer. So here the option will be C.